Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can deploy your Express application on ToyStack. So let's get started. So this is an example of an Express server here, just in basic Hello World. So let's test it out locally before deploying. So yeah, it works. We can see the Hello World here. And we are running on port 5000 because of we are getting the port from environmental variables. Here is the port. It's port 5000. So yeah, it's working correctly here. So let's push this code to GitHub first. We'll make a new repository. Yeah, we will name it ToyStack Express. Let's make this. You can just copy this thing from here. Let's initialize a repo. Let's add our stuff. Let's paste the rest here. Yeah. So let's push. So it has been pushed. Let's refresh our page. Yeah. So our Express server is here. So let's get started to deploy it on ToyStack. First of all, you need to sign in. You can use GitHub. Yeah, it signs you automatically. Now you have to import your repository here. Tap on sync from with GitHub. You have to configure this. It was ToyStack Express. Cool. So it is available now. As you can see, we have ToyStack Express here. Let's import it. Let's choose our environment framework, that is Node. Let's pick the latest version. We are using npm, so npm i, npm start. It's your root directory. What was the port? Port was 5000. Environmental variables. Let's copy this from here. 5000. Let's select our plan. So it's done. So let's see about how to click from deploy from branch. What branch you are deploying from? We only have one branch, that is main, so we'll deploy from here. Let's deploy it for half an hour only. It started. You can see the build logs here. It's pretty fast. Wait for it to deploy. Just yeah. So we have this URL here.